Whistles have been used throughout history, but which one is right for you? Let's explore. First up, we have the Missouri bird whistle, which is an ideal beginner whistle. It's made from solid wood and has a hand-painted bird on top. This is how it sounds. So you can create mimicking kind of bird tones, or you can use it as a general, kind of like a football whistle almost. Next up is the dual tone Tel Aviv whistle. It's made from a single hollowed gourd, and this is how it sounds. One of the greatest whistles for sound effects is the train whistle. It actually sounds like an old steam train. Another fun sound effect whistle is the Indonesian bamboo slide whistle. Place it in your mouth and you pull this stick to adjust the sound. Let's try now. If you want an ornamental whistle, hand carved from wood, then the animal whistles might be for you. First up, we have the howling wolf whistle. It sounds like this. It's great for sitting on a shelf. The monkey whistle is better as a hanging ornament, and you actually play its bum here. So you give it a blow. I did try to give it a monkey sound, but it just kind of has like a high-pitched tone. If you like elephants, you'll love the noisy elephant whistle. So imagine we've got a trunk, and if you're someone who likes to stay awake in the evening, you may love the hooting owl whistle. If you want to create authentic bird sounds, then you will love our water whistle range. First up, we have the unpainted ceramic bird water whistle. I have already put water in all of these whistles. This is how it sounds. Now the hand-painted Peruvian version. And finally, the bamboo kubu bird whistle. This one is probably the loudest out of the other bird whistles. Anyway, if you want to explore our full range of whistles, do check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.